Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we're going to be making Baingan Bharta,
Okay.
eggplant mash.
Sounds good.
The recipe looks nice, and this is a special request from Abinash Panigrahy.
Well, let's try it out.
So Abinash, this one's for you. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients we're going to use to make the Baingan Bharta. We have the eggplant, onion, tomato, green chili, garlic, coriander leaves, oil, and a little pinch of red pepper powder. That's all the ingredients. Let's start cooking. So first we're going to roast the eggplant over our open flame. And I have to be honest with you, Mumsy's a little bit frightened that I'm going to burn the house down doing this, so let's see. So I've washed the eggplant really well, and I put a couple slits on the bottom of them and rubbed them down with oil. I have a medium flame going, and they're supposed to roast about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And I'll turn the fan on just so we'll exhaust. I think they're okay. Now we'll take the eggplant off of the burners and submerge it into cold water. We'll now peel the eggplant and get all the burnt skin off of it. And then once we get all the skin off, we'll go ahead and chop it up and put it in a bowl. We got the eggplant all cooked up, roasted on top of the burners. Didn't burn the house down. Mumsy's was afraid for nothing. Yeah, looks good. It worked really well. All right, let's get on to cooking the rest of the dish then. Have the kadai going over medium heat, and we'll go ahead and add the oil. Once the oil's melted down, we'll add the onions. And we're only going to give the onions a quick saute. We're not going to brown them. I really do like this kadai. It works really well cooking the dishes. Very pleased with it. Now that I understand how to properly regulate the temperature on it. Now we'll add the garlic. Now we'll add the chopped green chilies. Mix those in. Now we'll add the tomatoes. So we let the mixture cook down until the oil's separated off of them. Now we're gonna add the crushed red pepper. Get that mixed in real quick, and then we will add the cooked eggplant. Get that stirred in. Does look good. Smells good too. We'll cook this down for about 5 minutes. We've cooked the mixture down for about 5 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and add the coriander. Once we get the coriander mixed in, we'll go ahead and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. The Baingan Bharta is now cooked. We'll go ahead and put it in a bowl and we'll put it to the test. Well, how's that look?
It looks so good.
Well, Abinash, what do you think? Does it look authentic to you? It smells wonderful.
It smells very smoky from
Roasting
the
the eggplant.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks delicious too. Can't wait to try it.
Yep.
Shall we put it to the test?
We shall.
Let's do it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Very nice. Very mild.
Very mild.
Not a lot of spice on it at all.
No.
Yeah.
I love the combination of the tomato, the onion, garlic, and eggplant.
Yeah.
It's just a winning combination.
The smokiness really comes through in the flavor
I can't
too.
believe how smoky it is.
Yeah.
I mean the flavor, yeah.
Yeah, you could just really taste the natural flavors of the veggies. The eggplant and the tomato. The combination works really well together.
It is wonderful.
Mumzies Happy Dance.
It is a wonderful combination.
Yeah, I understand that it's just a side dish. It's not
Oh,
meant to be like a full meal.
well, it's a full meal to me. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think it's used more of as like a spread. They eat it with bread or
Well, that sounds good to me.
at least from what I've read about it.
It is really good.
Yeah, let us know. Abinash, how do you eat it?
Yeah.
Delicious. Delicious. Well, Anupriya Suman, what will we be eating next?
We got wait and see.
It's only been requested, what, 4 times? 5 times?
I guess that's
We hear you loud and
Yep.
clear.
that's making the point.
Loud and clear. You're up next in the queue.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Till next time.
Bye.